Have you ever wondered if artificial intelligence could be the key to solving our environmental issues? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a field that's all about creating intelligent machines that respond and act like humans. But its potential stretches far beyond that. Imagine a world where AI helps us monitor and manage our environment, providing real-time data on deforestation, pollution, and climate change. A world where we use AI to predict environmental disasters before they happen, giving us the chance to prevent or mitigate their impact. An increasing number of scientists and researchers are turning their attention towards AI, exploring its potential in tackling environmental challenges. They see a future where AI is not just a tool, but a partner in our fight to protect the environment. As we delve into this topic, consider how technology could revolutionize our approach to environmental conservation. This is not a far-off future, but a potential reality that we could be stepping into. Let's explore this potential together. To illustrate the potential of AI in environmental protection, observe a case study involving wildlife conservation. Picture the vast African savanna, teeming with diverse wildlife. It's a monumental task to monitor and track the various species in this expansive landscape, a task that has historically been laborious and time-consuming. Enter artificial intelligence. AI has revolutionized the way we approach wildlife conservation. In this case, AI was used to develop smart camera traps. These devices, equipped with motion sensors and advanced image recognition, can identify and record different species as they pass by. The data is then analyzed by machine learning algorithms, providing valuable insights into animal behavior, population sizes, and migration patterns. But AI's role doesn't stop there. It also aids in the fight against poaching. Traditional methods of preventing poaching relied heavily on manpower and were often ineffective. AI, however, offers a proactive solution. By analyzing patterns in past poaching activities, AI can predict potential hotspots for future illegal hunting, enabling authorities to take preventive action. This use of AI not only saves countless man-hours but also helps to preserve the delicate balance of biodiversity. It's an effective and efficient tool in the ongoing fight to protect our planet's wildlife. As this case study shows, AI offers innovative solutions to age-old environmental issues. Now that we've seen AI in action, let's summarize the key takeaways about AI and environmental protection. Artificial intelligence has shown immense potential in environmental protection, and it's a subject that has piqued the interest of researchers globally. We've witnessed its capabilities in wildlife conservation, where it has been instrumental in tracking and monitoring endangered species. This successful case study is a testament to the transformative power of AI. The potential of AI in environmental protection is vast. It's not just limited to wildlife conservation but extends to predicting climate change patterns, optimizing natural resource usage, and even reducing waste by improving recycling processes. The scope is truly expansive. Researchers are continuously exploring new ways to harness the power of AI in environmental protection, and as we have seen, their efforts have already started to pay off. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. The coming years are likely to reveal even more impressive applications of AI in this field. AI's role in the fight against environmental degradation is becoming increasingly pivotal. It has the potential to revolutionize the way we approach and handle environmental challenges. The possibilities are vast, and the future is promising. As we continue to develop and refine AI technology, we can expect to see even more innovative applications in environmental protection. The journey ahead is exciting, and we are just getting started. This is a journey that holds the promise of a better, more sustainable future for our planet. So can artificial intelligence truly be an ally in our fight to protect the environment? Absolutely. The potential of AI in environmental protection is immense, and we're just beginning to tap into it. It's an exciting era of discovery and innovation. I encourage you to continue exploring this fascinating topic, and to consider how you might contribute to these vital conservation efforts. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos about AI.